4.41 seconds off the pace, and that is because of penalty here on gate number 3. Let's see what Calzera, he had issues in the first run of the semifinals. Let's see in March. Well, it's let's see. He comes for that early penalty. He's certainly really giving it his all here. It just catches his edge. You can hear the crowd. Up. Needing something special. He's picked up a 2-second penalty on day 16.